Everyone, welcome back in my channel. So this video is part of how to make money if you have a PayPal account. Last time I talked about Nevo.ai. There is one more application, I should say. You guys must have heard of Yandex browser, which is a Russian browser, I believe. So it's from the same company. The name is Toloka. So what you can do is you can simply earn few bucks by doing some tasks, like in this one you have to answer some questions, and the other one which I have done, you just need to simply film yourself on your camera for like 15 seconds and you will get $0.15. And similar task, that you have to film yourself for 15 seconds, Alexa commands and stuff like that. So the more tasks you do and the more you withdraw your rating. As you can see, it's 25.74 in my case. It will keep on going up and you will get more chances, because yesterday I missed this task because I was busy, but it was $1 per task. So that's a good thing. And it's been like a week, no, not a week, like 2 or 3 weeks ever since I'm using this one. So let me show you. I had near about close to $1 and I have withdrawn 0.20. I was making a video to check whether they really pay you guys or not. So after that they do uh, pay you out, and it took me like 14 days to get 0.20, but for 0.70 it's almost the same day. I got the same money into the same my PayPal account same day. So let me show you. So as you can see, 0.69 it was on, yeah, on top of that it's 17th of July, and the last one I got on 13th of July, and I claimed the withdraw on 6th of July. So it took around a week, but here it's almost instantaneous. So that's a good part. So if you want to make money by doing something in your free time and something like that, with this $1 in a week or so, you can easily get a Mac Aloo Tikka or Mac Chili Veg Burger, I believe. So that's not a bad deal, I believe, because you are not doing anything that much, just doing some task. So there is one more thing, which is a referral program, which they introduced last week, I believe. So for each task successfully completed by a friend, let's say I refer you and you complete one task, then I will receive 5 to 20% as the commission. So that's another great thing. So let's say you have 100 people under you, even if you get 0.5 a month, then you will be getting near about $50, I believe, 50 or $5. Yeah, yeah, you will get $5 by doing nothing. So that's really a great thing. So I'm gonna drop my link below, my referral link, so you can you guys can join under me. So if you guys like this video till now, please hit the subscribe icon and the bell icon. So stay connected for the next one. Thank you.